looks like some dude lost control over there. Hit the barrier. It's not bad. It's a very unusual morning. I'm sorry about the windshield wiper. I can't do nothing about it. I need to use my wipers because today's the first time it rained in like the last 2 months in the beautiful state of Washington. So that's kind of what it looks like right now. Aren't these cul-de-sacs just great? Roundabouts, whatever you want to call them. That's fantastic. Yeah, the old trailer is just hopping curves left and right this morning on these roundabouts. Man, I did not expect it to rain. Oh, is that my turn there? I almost missed this turn here, big boy. This place is nasty over here. Another nice steep hill over here. Okay. All right, my dudes. Well, hello to everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like this video. My name is Dan. I'm a local truck driver in Washington State, and today we are in Snohomish, Washington. I got some plywood on board, picked it up in Eugene yesterday. We are delivering it to Snohomish, and then after we get loaded, we're headed to Seattle for some more stuff to pick up. So yeah, sit back, enjoy, and see you in a bit. I just had this guy pull up, give my paperwork, and he's gonna lead me out to the back so that I can get centered out and get the plywood unloaded, because I think they probably want it under a covered area somewhere. It came out of a covered area too, so let's see where he puts me here. Them's my dudes. We'll see where he wants me. So this random rain weather just appeared out of nowhere. It wasn't raining yesterday, or I didn't even know it was supposed to rain today, but it's freaking chilly and it's wet. So now we have to get unloaded in the rain. That's Washington for you. In case you didn't know, you'll be getting rain. In fact, it was really nice the entire summer. Well, the last 2-3 months, it was really nice and not rainy at all. Super hot, but I think we're still getting some like temperatures over 100 next week anyway. So just a random rainfall from Mother Nature. Dude, this rain sucks. There's water droplets right there. Okay, where the hell is you want me to park? Yo! I don't want to get out of the truck, but we have to go get unloaded. This nasty freaking wet rain, so I'll catch you outside. thing is, I just try to remember a time when I was out here and it wasn't raining. And I've never been at this location without it being raining. I guess kind of makes sense. Snohomish is a wet place. My goodness, I just got my straps off. They're already pulling off my unit, man. Not bad. Killing it over here. It's been like 10 minutes. I don't even have time to freaking record. Guys won't chill. That's alright. The faster I get out of here, the better it is for me for the next spot. My dudes are killing it over here.
Just waiting on some paperwork from these fellas, and then we're out of here.
We have some of these berries here next to the dumpster. Pretty good looking stuff, dude. Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad at all. All right, there's the paperwork, guys.
Well, that took about 25 minutes with the weight of the paperwork, but we are unloaded and we're ready to get out of here. So, yeah, we're headed to Seattle, to downtown Seattle, to get loaded with some lumber, going to the Oregon side. But for now, let's back this truck up and keep driving. Got some, if you know what I mean. So we have arrived at the company we're supposed to be at. As you can tell, the most destroyed roads of the USA over here. It's kind of by the port, so they have terrible road here. Crazy. So I see a couple of trucks already lined up in front of me to get loaded up over here. We are an hour early. I got a 10 o'clock here this morning. It's 9 o'clock, and so I'm gonna run in, check in, just let them know I'm here, and probably have to wait around for a while until these guys get loaded. They were able to get 2 guys in the yard already, and so this second guy here is doing what I should be doing, or will be doing. So he took a left there, and now he's backing up his truck, and he's gonna back it up all the way across, all the way to the end of the warehouse. Honestly, I don't know, a good 200 yards at least. And once you get to the back, there's this one tiny opening that's probably 10 feet wide, you know, 10, 12 feet wide. And you gotta back your truck up in there, and you have to get loaded inside. So that's gonna be a disaster, because us flatbedders are terrible at backing up. Well, I'm speaking for myself, but it's a crappy opening there. And you have to shoot back straight to the left. I'll let you guys see that one. Okay, so we got some good news, boys. About an hour and a half past my appointment. They're ready to take me in, but good thing is I don't have to back up into the building. They just want me to stay outside. I just get parallel to the building because the material can get wet if it needs to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get centered out next to the building and start getting loaded. Looks like there's a dude back there standing in my spot. That's where I'm supposed to be standing or get staged to get loaded. So that's not cool, but I think he's gonna move in a bit. And so we have to come down all that, come down the street, all the way to the end back there. That's where that guy's sitting there. That's where we're gonna get loaded. Looks like I'll be getting some MDF. So these guys usually put a few units on here. And because this door is too narrow and those units are 16 feet wide, they have to set them up sideways, and then another forklift comes up here, grabs a unit and gets it on the truck. I think I'll be getting 8 of these. Here's how they do it. Just a nice facility here. With a random homeless campground right behind it. The guy was just telling me that that truck back there is theirs, and it's the company's truck, and they can't even get it out because the homeless people won't move their crap. That's really nice. Now imagine being the company owner and not having access to that truck because the property line is right outside that truck. So they can't get access to it because the homeless people won't move their crap. Sounds reasonable. One more unit left. We got 10.
4 in the back, 3 in the front, and 3 in the middle. One more strap down and we're out of here.
Boys and girls, well, we are effectively done here getting loaded, and while I'm airing in my truck, I just wanted to say thank you very much for everyone who's watching my videos, who's still supporting me, who's still commenting on my stuff. I know there hasn't been much action on my channel, but you guys are there for me, and that means a lot to me. And again, please like and share the video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to my channel. I'll keep posting new stuff. I'm trying to do every single Friday. If I don't, keep me on tabs. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.